Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this beautiful look right here. This is a full face, nothing over $6 makeup tutorial, and I am using a couple of new products and products that I haven't used in a while. So if you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. So I'm going to start off by using my Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer, and this is $5. So for eyeshadow palette, I have two different ones here, but at first I'm going to start off using this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and you can still get this on Wet n Wild's website for $4.29 or the full price. Right now it's on sale for $4.29, but the normal price is $5.99, so it's still always under that $6 price point. So I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to use this nude shade right here. This is a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, which everyone used to love, and I got this as a dupe for it because I could not afford that palette, and it's actually really good, and you can tell a lot of the colors are very loved. But yeah, I'm gonna use that nude shade with my Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm gonna set my inner corner to brow bone area with that, just to help with blending. I always do this. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild 5-pan palette in the shade Sundaze. This is $3.18 at Walmart, and $4.29 on Wet n Wild's website, so it's actually cheaper at Walmart. But yeah, I really love the colors in this, so I'm going to use this shade right here. It's like an orangey, super warm color, and I'm going to use my AOA Studio E129 brush. And I'm just going to blend this in the crease of my eye. And then I'm going to take this brown, super warm brown right here, and I'm going to use my AOA Studio E128 brush and just apply this all on the outer corner and blending it up into the crease as well, but not bringing it up as high as the first shade that we used. And I'm taking it like halfway on my lid because I'm gonna do a cut crease today, like a half cut crease, so bring it in about halfway on the lid. And to really deepen up the outer corner, I'm gonna jump back into this palette, and I'm gonna use the shade this dark brown color right here, and I was gonna have a name, but it doesn't. So I'm gonna use that dark brown on my AOA Studio E132 brush, which is like a domed eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use that on the outer corner to really deepen this up. And after I have that, I'm gonna go in with more of my Profusion Pigment Base eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer brush with that, and I'm going to cut my crease like halfway out on the lid, and then I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer and gonna apply this on top with the same brush, and it just really is going to lay down a nice base for the star of the show, which is the j.cat Beauty Pris-metal Chrome Eye Mousse in the shade Frosty Foil. It's the most beautiful color ever, but I'm not sure if I got like an older one or not, because when I got it, it was like more dried out. And I also got this gold, which this one's in the shade Crescent Moon Shock, but it's the same thing. And this one is way more creamy and actually more pigmented and not as like dry and flaky as this one. But I got it online and I got it shipped to me, so I don't really know what to do about it. But I just really still wanted to do this look, so I'm really priming the lids for it, and I'm gonna use some with the brush and some with my finger and just like get it to look right on the lid. I'm gonna do one eye at a time because I don't want it to be too much. Okay, so apparently it cut out me applying this whole eyeshadow. I am using the my Morphe M421 brush to apply it in the areas where I can't reach with my finger. So I'm going to show you guys it on this eye. And then I'm just pressing that eye mousse down with my finger on the lid. So I'm going to move on to my face makeup now, and I'm going to use my AOA Studio Blur Fection face primer, and this one's in the shade Transparent. It's like a little blurring balm, it's you can get AOA on Shop Missé's website, and it's like a really nice like blurring balm. I really wanted a to get like a blurring face primer for around my nose, especially, and just like my T-zone area, but I don't have any that are under, I couldn't find any that were under $6 or under, so I decided to use this one. I found this one laying around and I was like, oh, this would be perfect for blurring the skin, and I have like almost all the brushes I use now are from there. They're actually amazing brushes. You get like a brush set for like $10 that has like 10 brushes in it. And I'm gonna use the Essence. I got this is new to me. This is the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer, and it has a little hydrating and smooth base with watermelon water and niacinamide. So it looks really nice. It's got a little pump So I'm gonna try this out. Oh, it's cute. It's like pink. But I'm gonna try this out on the skin. It feels pretty nice on the skin and hydrating. I like the smell. It smells really nice. It smells like watermelons, but not like super sweet candy watermelon scent. It's like something that I can handle, you know? So then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. This is another new product that I got for this. I've never used this before, so I typically need 2 pumps of a foundation, so I'm gonna use 2 pumps and just dot it all over the face. This is like a thicker consistency, which wasn't what I was expecting, but it's nice. I like that. It's got a scent to it. It smells kind of weird, but it's not like something that I can't deal with. That'll probably go away as it wears on the skin. I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge to blend that in. I'm definitely gonna need another pump because this doesn't seem to be covering the best. I'm gonna cover it a little bit better, but it's still not the coverage that I want. I think the foundation looks pretty nice. My skin is just being weird right now. I'm not really sure what's going on, but it's peeling and just doesn't look good. So I don't think it's these products. I think it's just the way my skin is being right now. But I got the LA Girl Pro Conceal, which I'm gonna use as concealer today. And I got this one's in the shade of Fairest, so it's the lightest shade. And I remember using this so much. Like, everyone loved this product before, and then no one talked about it for like forever. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to set everything. Okay, so then I'm going to use the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder not palette. This is just the matte bronzing powder. I'm used to saying palette because I have that palette and I really love it. But this one is in the shade 01 Natural. This is the light skin one. And I'm going to take that on my Morphe J.cat brush and just bronze up the face with that, which I definitely need because that concealer is actually so incredibly light. Like, I was not expecting that. So that is gonna be like the perfect highlighter shade for me, for like highlighting shade for under the eyes. I'm gonna use the Essence The Blush in Bespoke, and these are absolutely beautiful. I have like almost every shade, but this is like a really nice bronzy color. So I'm gonna use this to blush up the cheeks. It's getting all Essence for the cheeks today. I used Essence bronzer, Essence the blush, and Essence the highlighter in the shade Mesmerizing, which is like a beautiful gold. So I'm gonna highlight the face with that. So then The only setting spray that I had in my collection that was under $6 was this Wet n Wild Rose 3-in-1 primer water. I remember this being like a nice, really hydrating product, so I'm hoping that this kind of rehydrates the skin. I think it may have actually helped take away a little bit of the dry look to the skin. So I'm going to move on to my brows, and I'm just going to fill them in with my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Silky Nude on my waterline. So, for lashes today, I'm going to use my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. And I know you can get like one section of these lashes, like just a pack of just one pair of these lashes for under $6. I believe you can get it like for like $5 something. But either way, it doesn't really matter because they're just lashes, and it's just the ones that I have that work the best with my eye shape and just look the best on me, because some lashes will look like way too much. Okay, so then to finish off this look, I'm going to use the Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea, which is like a gorgeous brown shade, and I'm going to line and fill in my lips with that. And this is actually, this lip liner is $6, so. I really love this color, it's really pretty. So then I'm gonna top it off with the Essence Hydro Matte Lipstick. I think these are new, but I saw them online on Ulta's website, and it looked really interesting to me. But yeah, Hydro Matte, so I guess it's like a matte lipstick, but it's not like super drying. So I got this shade honey-stly, I guess is what it is. I don't know. But I'm gonna use this on top of Sweet Tea. It actually is really nice and hydrating feeling, and the color actually matches and goes with Sweet Tea like really well. Okay, so this is the completed makeup look right here. I am pretty happy with the way that this turned out. And also, let me know if you guys would like another full face under $6 using this beautiful gold shade here, because I could use this in a look as well. And I forgot to say that these are only $6 and they're really nice eyeshadows. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!